Minasan konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Today is day 851 and I'm recording Tuesday's video. So today we're going to be doing some more kanji practice following on from Sunday's video. We did 5 kanji and we will continue on with that same unit with another 5 kanji. So let's go jump in. Well, I just realised that it hasn't been recording. So we have seen this one, and this one. And this is Genkan here. And then this was sliding door. And this one was Roka, hallway. So when they come up again, I will show them. But that's why they're already done and you haven't seen them yet. Sorry about that. Roka, there it is. Hallway.
Roka.
So we have a yo with the last one. And then the double S sound from German language. Looks like that. That's what I always think of. Food and then the double S.
廊下
廊下
Roka.
廊下廊下
廊下
Roka.
Roka.
I always start with this little line at the top. I wonder why.
廊下
廊下
And this one's got that little line twice.
廊下
廊下廊下
It also does mean that I don't have the animation from earlier to put in my video because it didn't record, but hey ho. Here is Genkan. I don't know whether we'll get the first one or the second one. Let's
玄
see.
関
Entranceway.
– 玄関
It is the second one, the new one for this video. The first one we saw on Sunday.
玄関
玄関 玄関
Starts with a hat. And then it makes me think of a witch's face. I'm not sure why. This is obviously the nose, and that's some kind of weird eyeball. But in reality, it's a double mu.
玄関
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 玄関玄関
To.
と
Sliding door.
と
It's a very simple one. Don't get a whole lot simpler
To.
than that. makes me think of pen, which is, when we're talking about a shop, I think it might be maybe a little bit more there and a little bit more here.
と、
と、
Could be completely different, but that's how it makes me think. That's what it makes me think
To.
of.
と、
と、と、
Okay, so we've seen the 3 new ones now. I'll show that one if it comes up, which it probably just came
玄
up.
関、
Entranceway. Genkan.
玄関、
There it is.
玄関、
Start with gate. And then this little guy.
玄関、
玄関、
Genkan.
玄関、玄関、
玄関、
玄関、 玄関、 玄関、
Genkan. Alright, what's next? Is it going to give us the 2 from that line or just 2 random ones? いくらですか? How much is it? Socks, 靴下、
靴下、
廊
廊
下。
下、
We both have down. 8th
8日、
day. Siblings.
兄弟、
Subway.
地下鉄、
Hallway.
廊下、靴下、廊下、
靴下、
Socks.
靴、下、
廊下、
靴下、下、3月、廊下、
Mood. Okay. We've had feeling the other day.
気分、
Which had kit in it as well. What is this? Ticket, letter, kitchen. It is not letter and it is not kitchen. Of those, I am certain, which makes it kipu. Kipu? I think so.
切
Kipu.
符、切符、
You've got the K that goes right and the K that goes left. T and a J.
切符、
切符、切 切符、
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 切符、切符売り場. What's that one? Ticket gate,
切
perhaps?
符。切符。
Although you'd think it would be simple and just 切符mon.
切符、
Maybe that means something else, who knows?
切符、切符、
T, J.
切符、
切符、
切符. That makes 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Are we going to get this one, perhaps? Yes, yes we are. Okay, we know it's not gate, mon. We know it's not Osaka, because that has big at the start for the O. So it must be Mura, village?
村、
Mura. Nice.
村、
Tree and J.
村。
村、
村、
Mura.
村、
村、
村。
Mura.
村、村、
村。
村、
村、
Mura. Alrighty. There we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it did do the full line. So we've just got 4 remaining for next time, possibly on Sunday again. I really want to catch up. And it's... See, because at the moment, or prior to coming back to section 3 here, in section 4 I was doing 1 unit per week. So if you imagine, this is 1 unit, but when I'm doing my kanji, I'm doing that over 3 weeks. It's just never going to catch up. So this is why I've decided to focus more on it and get going. I'm not going to catch up to where I am this time round, but maybe we do this a few times and see how we go from there. But anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed today's video, come back on Sunday, as I will be doing another kanji practice, finishing off this unit using my phone. Alternatively, come back on Thursday when I will be doing some listening practice. I hope to see you all again soon. Arigatou gozaimashita. Mata ne.